Assalamu alaikum, Brother Zakir Naik. I am Khalil from Sweden. Do you can explain how to pray Salatul Witr? Do we need to recite Dua-e-Qunoot? Witr in Arabic means odd, and Witr can be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 rakat, no problem. And it is the most important sunnah after the farais. Our beloved Prophet asked the Sahaba, do you want me to tell you something Allah has given a gift? What is it? They said Witr Salah. And the Witr Salah normally is any Salah you offer after the Isha Salah, before the Fajr Azan. So any Salah that you offer after it's called as Qiyamul Layl. Sorry, the right meaning of Qiyamul Layl is that Qiyamul Layl is a broad term meaning standing up at night. It means any ibadah that you do at night is called as Qiyamul Layl, but more specifically, Qiyamul Layl refers to standing up in prayer. So any prayer that you do after the Isha Salah, up to before Fajr, is called as Qiyamul Layl. Witr is one type of Qiyamul Layl, where the Prophet said that it's a gift Allah has given, and though it is a sunnah, it is the most important sunnah after the Farais Salah. And the Prophet said, it is better if you offer in the last 1/3 of the night. So Witr is part of Qiyamul Layl. It can be prayed anytime after Isha, up to before Fajr, but the best is in the last 1/3, where Allah descends down and asks His servant, is there anything you want to ask, and I will answer your prayer. So the best time to pray is, but if you fear that you will not get up, so it's better you pray early. You can even pray immediately after Isha. That is the least. But the best is in the 1/3, and you can pray, it's an odd. You can pray 1 rakat, you can pray 3 rakat, you can pray 5 rakat, you can pray 7, you can pray 9. But the Prophet usually offered 3 rakat. And when you pray 3 rakat, the Prophet said, do not pray like as you pray your Maghrib Salah. So you don't pray 2 rakat and 1 rakat. You don't pray 3 rakat like the Salah of Maghrib together. You preferably pray 2 rakat and 1 rakat. If you pray 3 rakat together, see to it you do not sit down after the second rakat in At-Tayyat. You get up after the second rakat, pray a full 3 rakat, and then in the third rakat, you pray and you sit in the Tashahhud. So in second rakat, you don't, so that it differs from the Maghrib Salah. Regarding a basic question, that do you have to read Dua-e-Qunoot? According to the Prophet, yes. If you read the Sahih Hadith and the Sunnah, the Prophet did read Dua-e-Qunoot in the last rakah of Witr. If you are praying 1 rakat, then you pray your Dua-e-Qunoot after the ruku of the first rakat. If you are praying 3 rakat, in the last rakat, in the third rakat, you pray Dua-e-Qunoot after your ruku. If it's 5th rakat, so you pray in the last rakat of Witr. And that is a sunnah, it's not a fard. And you have to read the Dua-e-Qunoot in the Witr. Hope that answers the question.